Welcome to my channel.
So in this tutorial, I'll guide you through designing a stunning logo using Canva, the user-friendly online designing platform. So let's get started. Open your browser, search for canva.com, click the first one. First, make sure you are signed into your Canva account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to sign up. Whether you need a logo for a tech company, marketing, advertising, or a travel agency, Canva has you covered. Once you logged in, on the extreme right you can see create a design. Click it and type logo in the search bar. Here we got onto a new page where you can explore a variety of logo examples to kickstart your design. So let's start with customizing your logo. You can add elements and text to your logo from here. For example, I'll use the company name Market Magnet Pro MMP. Feel free to use your own company name here. To find specific elements like letter M, use the search bar. Canva offers a wide range of options both for free and with a pro subscription. Here we got options like graphics and photos as well. For alphabet M, we can choose any one of them. So let me search for double M as this company represents double M in it, market magnet. So next, let's search for a stylish and unique P design to complement our logo. I think this P is good to go with this logo. Now once you have found perfect elements, adjust their positions until you are satisfied with the layout. To make this logo more innovative or creative, let me add some pattern here. So here to make your logo stand out, consider adding a subtle background element. Look for paint strokes in the search bar here in the element section and select one that suits your style. Customize the font to match your brand's identity and make your logo truly unique. So here your logo is now ready to be shared or downloaded. Simply click share and save it to your file manager.
Thanks for watching.